Beautiful Ghalamkar. Oh, you liked it, so I got you. We saw that a shop had, and this was Aldi. And then we wanted more designs, more patterns. They are beautiful. And they came so quick. Let's open this one. What do you think? Oh, that's so beautiful. William Morris has to learn from this. Or probably he learned. And oh, it's almost like having another carpet. Oh, wow. The both are beautiful. Better than what I thought. That's traditional Persian. The thing is that with this kind of handcrafted artisan things, you have to put them in the delicate wash. You don't want, to use very intensive wash. They're made of cotton, they're beautiful, durable, as long as you take care of them. Okay, compare it with the William Morris. Almost invisible, William Morris. A little vulgar even, you can say, too much. This is built for the, putting a flower vase in the middle.